Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss how to increase or decrease, that means change the row height in a Microsoft Excel. So I have created one table. There are several methods of changing the row height. I can I can show one by one. So method number one, like let's say I want to change the row height of this row. So I will first select that and will right click. Now in this after this right click I will get one option row height, so I will select that and I can find the current row height. Now that is 17. Now I want to change that. Let's say I want 25, so I will put 25 here and I will click on OK. Now you can see the row height of row number 2 has changed from 17 to 25. Now let's say if I want to do the same for several other rows. Let's say I want to change the row height from 3 4 5, this number of rows. So I will select all those rows and then I will again right click and go to row height, and in the current row height I will change it to 25, which was previously 17. Now you can see the row height of these three rows also change. So this is method number one. Now moving on to method number two. So again, let's say I want to change the row height of row number 6. Now I will select this row. I will right click and here, or sorry, I will select this row. In the home tab, you can see there are format options. So I will select that. I will click on row height, and in that the 17 is currently present. So I will change it to 25. So you can see after clicking on OK, the row height has been changed. So this is the second method. In this case, if I want to do the same for several other rows, I will select all those and I will go to home tab and go to format, and in that I will find row height and I will change it to my desired value, let's say 25. So I will click on OK. You can see the height is changed now. So the method number one, I am reiterating. Method number one, I will select the row and right click. I will find row height option from there. Method number two, I will select the row, go to home tab, and in the right hand side, I will found format. From there, I can change the row height. Now there is one more method, like I will select this row and you can see like this row height is very small. The letters are not adjusted in this way, means I mean properly. So I want to clearly see this row or several other rows. So what I will do, I will select this row, go to home tab, and in the right hand side again format options, you can see there is auto fit row height. So if I click on that, then it will be so adjusted like all the letters will be clearly visible. If we can see like it will fit in such a mode, like we will not give any particular row height, it will fit automatically so that everything will be clearly visible. So if you can see, like I will click on auto fit and you can see the height of row 10 will be changed accordingly. So I'm clicking on that. You can see that the row number 10, its height has been changed and it has been fitted properly. So if you want to do the same for more than one row, you will select all those, go to home tab and click on format and then click on auto fit row height. So for this, the row height of row number 11 to 14 will be adjusted. So I'm clicking on that and you can see the changes here. This is the third method, and fourth method, which is the very simple method among all these. Like you can just select this portion, this, like you can just select, let's say, this portion, and where this cursor is, and you can just drag this little up or down, and this is how actual row height will be adjusted. So let's say I want it to be little small, I will drag upwards like this, or I want little down, I can drag it little downwards. So you can see this is how the row height can be manually adjusted. So these are the four methods you can use whenever you want and wherever you want, based on the situation. So if you have any question on this video or these methods, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer all those. So that's it for today. Thank you.